hindi magkalaban ang wisdom at saka love. Yun yung palagi ko sinasabi. It's always love and light, yung love and light lang ang nature ng reality natin. Our best description of God, or our at least best attempt to describe God, is that He is love and He is wisdom. Religion might say He is a loving God but He is just too, as if opposing polarity yung love at saka justice. Love and wisdom. Love and wisdom. And it's not an opposing polarity. The two are married together. Love and wisdom. The heart and the mind. Kapag nag-meet yung love at saka mind, Trinity happens.
So, kailangan maniwala talaga tayo sa pag-ibig. Kahit na nakurong tayo.
Bago ka maniwala sa pag-ibig, itaas mo muna yung wisdom. Kasi kapag naniwala ka right away sa pag-ibig, yung walang wisdom, at pumili ka lang ng isang side, love lang, wisdom lang, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng judgment. The two are inseparable.
So, kailangan pala talaga, hindi lang basta pag-ibig at pagmamahal, kailangan ginagamitan din ng utak at isip